Let's see how to book iPad with student discount. In the first step, open Settings, then go to Apple ID. Now choose Payment and Shipping. In the next step, open Apple's Education Store. Next, log in using Apple ID. After that, look through iPad options. In the next step, pick the desired iPad. Next, choose storage and color options. Next, press Add to Bag. In the next step, check the cart items. After that, apply student discount if applicable. After that, move to checkout. In the next step, fill in the shipping information. Next, choose a payment option. After that, confirm and submit the order. You are good to go.